You are going to love the 2013 Optima Hybrid. The all-new Kia Optima Hybrid offers the style and performance of the Kia Optima with the added benefits only found in hybrid vehicles, including the idle stop and go feature, which automatically switches off the engine when the vehicle is idle. If you're looking for a quality, high-performance hybrid you can feel good and green about driving, look no further than the Optima Hybrid and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, navigation system, power passenger seat, leather-wrapped steering wheel, dual airbags, air conditioning, power steering, heated rear seats, four-wheel disc brakes, AM/FM stereo with CD player. Come see the car for yourself.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.